Good morning, students, and welcome back to the statistics class. Okay, I'd given you a homework problem. I think you are found little confusion. I think some have found little difficulty to understand. We'll work out that problem. Okay. Okay. So using the following data, verify whether a last price index satisfies TRT and Fisher index satisfies TRT. So ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೇ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ even Fisher ಕೂಡ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So I've done the table over here. Okay. So they have given us the price of the base in the current year, quantity of the base in the current year. Okay. We have to find, because now in last spray, in Fisher we require all the information. We need the summation of all. Even in last spray now reverse ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ information ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So we'll first write all the information of all this. Quickly tell me the answers. You have already done it. Quickly tell me the answers. P1 Q0, first one. A, how much?
50.
Okay, 50. Second one, 60.
50.
Okay. Next,
8
and
4.
4. What is the total of this summation P1 Q0? 122.
It should be put up.
Yes. P0 Q0. Okay, 40. Here it is 50. Okay. 6. 2. What is the total of this summation P0 Q0? 98. Okay. 98. Okay. P1 Q1. 50. Okay. 48. Okay. 12. Yes. 8. Total of this? 118. Kirtana wrong. 130 alla 118 barbeku. Okay. P0 Q1.
40.
Okay, 40. 40. Okay. 9. Mute yourself.
And 12 is by 60. P1 Q1.
Here 60. Okay, 60. Sorry.
P1 Q1.
Okay, P1 Q1. Where it is 60?
12 into 5. P1 Q1. Second one, ma'am.
Here,
Yes, ma'am.
is it right now?
12 5 is 60. Ma'am.
Okay. This one is also
50, that is. 50.
one down. Here it is 4, I guess. Is it?
50. 50. It's 50.
One second. I don't have the question. Here it is 4, 5. Here it is 4. Here it is 4. Okay. So it will be how much here?
And then it is 48 only, ma'am.
Yeah. Because I wrote it wrong here. Give me the same question. Because so here it is 40. 8.
8.
Here 40. Correct, no? Okay. Last one here is 4. What is the total of this?
93.
93.
93.
Okay. So now we have found out the values. Now they have asked us to find first under last spray. Okay, we'll find under last spray. That is TRT under last spray. Okay. Okay. What is the formula under TRT? It is price of the base and the current into price of the current and the BS0 is equal to 1. So in last spray, the formula will go summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0. So when you do the reverse of it, it will be summation P0 Q1 divided by summation P1 Q1. Okay. So that should be equal to 1. So we will substitute the values. P1 Q0. What is the value? It is 122 divided by 98. into P0 Q1 is 93 divided by 118. Yes. So first you have to divide it. Some have done like this. Okay. Some may take it wrong also. What you do, first you divide it. 122 divided by 98 is how much? Okay, you're getting 1.245. Okay, into 93 divided by 118. How much you will get? 0.788. That should be equal to 1. Now multiply this. 1.245 into 0.788. How much will you get? Okay, you are getting 0.9815 or 5 means it is 982. Okay, see what was your confusion here was it is 0.9, that means it is equal to 1. Okay, you have thought in that sense. But if you see, okay, for example, if I take, when you round off a particular figure, okay, ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ round off ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? For example, 1.2758 ಇದೆ, 734 ಹಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಎನಿಸಿ. Okay, what you will do, you will round it off for the 3. Okay, how will you do? It will be 1.275 ಇದ್ದದನ್ನು ನೀವು 6 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Okay, like this you will do. So here also we will take it, because here we have first digit 9, second digit 8, third digit is 1, which is less than 5. Idu 5 ಇದೆ. Okay, idu bidi, istu bidi, 15 idu beda. Okay, we'll take it as 9 8. So you should see the next number, the second number is also greater than 5 or not. Okay, adu kuda nodbeku. Igo idu 9 ide, that means it is 10. It is 10. If you take 1, if you convert this 9 here, it will be 0.10 agutte. Howdella? So that is not equal to 1. 0.10 is not equal to 1. So what you have done is, you have taken only 0.9. You have forgotten about 8. Suppose it was 0.88. For example, 0.88 is to nimge value sikkide anta enisi. Okay, avaga ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You have to convert first this one. 8 means it is 0.9. That means it is equal to 1. Andre, when you round it off here, it is 1. Did you all understand now? Okay, that was your confusion. Many called me and asked me, ma'am, you are getting equal to 1. How it is? Okay, see that you have to see, that logic you have to think, students. Okay, see when you say 9 8, you have to see the second number as well. Okay, always two numbers, so only I say two numbers. Okay, so when you round it, if suppose it was 0.94, consider it is 0.94, so means 4 you cannot round it off, so that means it is 0.9, which is equal to 1. But here it is 0.98, that means it is 0.10. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ round off ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. After 9 it is 10, 10. That is not equal to 1. So did you all understand how to do this? So now you are satisfied whether TRT will satisfy under LASPRI or not? Yes or no? Yes, students, are you all there? You didn't understand? Okay, see, I'll erase it. Wait. Okay, so when you multiply 1.245 into 0.788, you will get something 0.9815 something you will get. Okay, see, now what you have taken into consideration, forget about this one. You have taken 0.98. Okay, usually after point you take 2 or 3 digits. Okay, here you have taken 2 digits. You should see that whatever the digits you have taken is more than 5 or not. Okay, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.98, what you have considered it as 0.9. Okay, that means it is equal to 1 ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಎಣಿಸಿದ. Okay, you have taken as 1, so that means 1.8 ಇದೆ. ಇದು 8 ಪುನಃ ಈಚೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2. It is more than 1 only, no? It is equal to 1. When you convert this also. So what we do, we convert it over here. First what we do is
ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಅನ್ಸ್ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಮತ್ ದೊಡ್ಡರ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳೋ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ
okay. So what has happened here is it is 0.98. So for example, okay, we'll take this number only. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ exam. Okay, when you write a particular value, on the divide ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು particular value ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So you have got 0.788. Okay, so what you will do? It consider it is 888. Okay, what you will do to reduce, to stop a particular value, what you will do? 0.989 you will do. So same way what we are doing here is we have to see the second number also, whether it is more than 5 or not, whether it is more than 5 or not. The second number is also more than 5. That means it is 0. When you convert, when you round off, okay, it will be 10. Now after 9, which is the next number, it is 10. Okay, so when you see the 0.10, it is not equal to 1. Okay, what you have thought, you have only considered this value, only you have considered 0.9. Okay, that is equal to 1. But after point, again the digit is more than 5. That should not happen. Okay, that should not happen. Again, if you consider it is more than 1.8 it is, so it means 2. Okay, so this is wrong. What you have to think, you have got the value as 0.9815. Okay, if you got a 0. Okay, Adnan is asking if you get a 0.95. Okay, 5. It should be 5 or greater than 5. You have to convert. You convert ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ convert ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 5 or greater than 5 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು convert ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Okay, for example, ಈಗ 0.1754 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಎನಿಸಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 0.18 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಈ 5 ಇದ್ದದನ್ನು 1 ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. If it was 4, convert ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. If it is from 0 to 4, you do not convert. But if it is 5 and greater than 5, you convert it. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ Adnan ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ? It is 0.95. So it is 5. 5 means again you can convert it. That means 0.10. That is not equal to 1. Did you all understand? If suppose here, if you get a value as 0.9415, consider you got 0.9415. Okay, if you see here the two digits are less than 5, it is less than 5, that means it is 0.9 itself, which is equal to 1, which is equal to 1. See, you are not converting it this side. You are see, that is when Ankita is telling, okay, I'll write it over here. Okay, ma'am, if we convert 0.98, then it will be 1 point. Okay, so for us, we want this value. Okay, we want this value. When you bring this side, it will be 1. Okay, 1.0. I'm only getting confused now. Okay, what you are thinking, you are considering only this value 9. You are not taking as this value. First we have to convert that value, because it is not our proof, it is the proof that is given by Professor Irving. It is not we are proving it. He has proved it and said it is not equal to 1. Okay, so when you convert 8, first you will get 10. Okay, so it is like it will not be equal to 1, we are saying. So here in this problem also same thing has happened. Okay, it is 0.9815. If you convert this, it is now each number here you have 5. If you convert here, it is 2, which again it will not be converted. So if you convert 8, it will be 10, it will be 10. So that will be taken, that is 0.10. Understood? It should be not be more than 1. Okay, do you understand? I think you are taking it, I mean you are creating more confusion. Yes. Yes, students. Yes, it does not satisfy TRT. It will not satisfy. 0.10 means it is not 1. It is less than 1. Okay. So it does not satisfy TRT. Okay. See, for your more clarification, I will give you certain other problems where you may get such type of, okay. We'll try to work out those problems also. I will find out in other books and I will give you. Okay. If we find such like problems, we'll see how it works. Okay. So do not get confused now with this. It is proved that Lasprey's will not satisfy TRT. In TRT, you will be satisfied with only 3 methods. Okay, that is Marshall-Edworth, Fisher, and Kelly's. Okay, and most of the time they will give you Kelly's, this Fisher index method. They will ask you to find both TRT and FRT under Fisher. Okay, so I will see in question paper problems. We'll get such problems. I will try to solve in the next class. Okay, I do not have more questions. I am not prepared. Okay, I will take the problems from other books, question banks, and I will give. Okay, you send me those problems, Ankita. We'll see. I will check that. Okay, we'll check that. You send me those problems which you have worked out. Okay, for more clarifications, I will see. Once again, I will let you know. Okay, but do not get confused. Do not get confused very deeply. I think you are deeply taking that, what you say, focus. You should focus, but you are thinking every point. That is not important there. Okay, so do not worry. Do not worry about this problem. We'll still clarify you with other problems. Okay. Okay, coming to the next method in this, that is they have asked us to find Fisher index. Okay, there also I think somebody has done. Okay, so what is the formula under Fisher? That is square root of summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into square root of summation P0 Q1 divided by summation P1 Q1 into summation P0 Q0 divided by summation P1 Q0. This is the formula for TRT under Fisher. So if you write the values, you will get as 122 divided by 98 into 93 divided by 130. Okay, into square root of 113 divided by 93 into 98 divided by 122. Am I right? Did I write it correctly? Yes. Okay. So if you see here, it is in what form? It is in a product form. Okay, geometric mean of Lasprey and Paasche. That means it is in a product. If you see here, there is no plus and minus. Everything is in into form. So you do not have to worry. One student asked me, when you divide and when you further proceed, you will not get this value and this value equal. Somebody told me that. Okay. See, in the previous problem here where I explained you. Okay, here. See here. See, when when you divided, because the values were such, here you had taken 200, 400. In example, I took here 200, 400, 600, 300. These are the very like simple numbers. Okay, so might be you have got it equal. Okay, but here the values, every time you will not get equally. Okay, every time you will not get equally. But your final answer will be equal to 1. That is sure. That is sure. It will be equal to 1. So here what has happened, you do not have to further proceed. Okay, as I've already told you, it is in the geometric mean. You can directly write as square root. Okay, together you can write 122 divided by 98 into 93 divided by 113 into 113 divided by 93 into 98 divided by 122. So you can directly write like this, and you can directly cancel it. You do not have to proceed it once again. Okay. Here it is 118. Okay. Okay. You do not have to proceed it once again. You can directly cancel it. Okay, see the numerator and the denominator. So here it is on 122 in the numerator, 122 in the denominator. Okay, so you can directly cancel. You do not have to further proceed. When you have to proceed, when in the Marshall Edworth, where you get plus minus sign, ಇದು ಸಿಗುವಾಗ ಅರಿಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. when it comes to the product form, then you can easily cancel. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರಿಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, you cannot cancel. But here if you see here, everything is in the product form. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, a single square root ಹಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. That means ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. So you can easily cancel each number, each value. That means it is equal to 1. You do not have to stress saying that you have to calculate it. You are simply wasting your time in calculations there. I must have written the values wrong, but you have worked out. Now just see that I'm explaining you how to cancel it. Okay, I understood. I have written it wrong, so only I asked you that time. Okay, so here when you write the values, you can directly cancel it. Do not go to further calculate and waste your time in Fisher index. It is already been proved. Okay, you have to show that it satisfies. Sometimes it might not be satisfied, okay, but make sure it will be satisfied. Okay, so here what happens, you do not have to calculate and find it till the end, till you get. So you can directly cancel here. But when it comes to Marshall Edworth or Darvish-Bowley, there you have to add, because there it is a plus sign between. When it is a plus or a minus sign, you cannot directly cancel. ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿ you have to convert it completely to the product form. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here it is equal to 1. Okay, do not be very much confused with this type of problems. Okay, I will give you still more problems. I know I thought you understood, but I think you will get many confusions. I'll give you lots problems. We'll see till you understand. Okay, now next method is FRT, factor reversal test. There again you should not get confused, so you have to be thorough with this method properly. Okay, so I'll send you the homework problems. Keep seeing those problems, and we'll see how it, and later we'll work out simultaneously both TRT and FRT. Okay, but do not get confused. I'll give you even this problem, this method, the last spray, whatever you said, I will give. Such type of problems you will not get in your question paper. Hardly might once or they may ask, but most importantly Fisher index will be asked. Fisher index, under that you have to both calculate TRT and FRT. Do not get confused. Okay, okay, next method we had here, verify whether Marshall Edworth satisfies TRT. Okay, so I said here they have given us the price, they have given us the value. Now when you say value, it is both price into the quantity. So ನೀವು ಏನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, you have to find the quantity. Okay, so this is of 2002, that is base year ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2006, that is of the current year. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು quantity consumed ಮತ್ತೆ value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So when you say value, it is price into quantity is equal to value. ಅವರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ನಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಡ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ calculated it. Okay, can you just tell me the prices, price of the base year? Can you tell me the prices quickly? 10, 12, 15 and 9. Okay, quantity, you have found the quantity. Tell me the quantity of the base year. 15. Okay, okay, 160 is it? 160. Okay, 150. I don't have answers, you have to give me. Yeah, worked out now, students. First one is 150. Okay, second one. $150, $90, $60, 50. Is it right? Okay. Next, P1. You do not have P1 value. You have to calculate P1. How you have calculated? They have given us quantity and value. Means price into quantity is equal to value. So how will you do? You have to bring this quantity to the opposite side. Okay, that means price is equal to value divided by quantity. Like this you have to calculate. Okay. Price is 11, 13, 16 and 12. Okay, quantity 160, 100, 60 and 40. Okay, quickly give me the answers of this, the values of this. P1, Q0. First one. 1650, okay. 1770, 960, 600. And to the total of this, 4380. Good. Next, here, P0, Q0. 1500, okay. 1080, okay. 900, yes. 450. Total of this, 3930. Okay. Next, P1, Q1. 1300, okay. 960, 1760. Is it 480 or okay, it's 480 here. What is the total? 4500. Okay. Here it is 480, 4500. Okay, and the last column, first one. P0, Q1. Good. 1600, 1200, 900, 360. And the total of this, 4060. Okay. We'll apply the Marshall-Edwards. They have asked us to find out whether Marshall-Edwards satisfy TRT or not. What is the formula? It is summation P1 Q0 plus summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q0 plus summation P0 Q1 into summation P0 Q1 plus summation P0 Q0 divided by summation P1 Q1 plus summation summation P1 Q0. This is the formula for Marshall-Edwards under TRT. We substitute the values. P1 Q0, what is the value? It is 4380 plus P1 Q1, it is 4500 divided by P0 Q0, it is 3930 plus 4060 into, now the reverse of that will be 4060 plus 3930 divided by 4000. Is it correct? P0 Q0. Okay, 4500 plus 4380. Is it right? I've written the formula correct, no? Okay. So now what you have to do? Can you directly cancel here as geometric mean? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ because it is in the product form. But here what has happened? It is in the arithmetic. You have to add it. First you have to add and convert it into the product form. Okay, 4380 plus 4500. What is the value? 8880. Okay, divided by 3930 plus 4060. 7990 into 4060 plus 3390. Okay, 7990 divided by 4500 plus 4380, you'll get 8088. When you see here, the value is same. So you can directly cancel over here, which is equal to 1. Yes. So like this you have to find. You cannot directly cancel over here because it is similar. Because it is in the arithmetic, you have to first add it and convert in this form. This is the final product form. Okay, then only you can cancel. Okay, so like this you have to find. Okay, coming to the last place method that I will still clarify for you all in the next class. Okay, we do not have much time to move forward with the next method. We'll give you one problem. For same problem, calculate for under Fisher. For this problem only, calculate under Fisher. Calculate under Fisher's method. That is square root of summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1. Okay, into square root of summation P0 Q1 divided by summation P1 Q1 into summation P0 Q0 divided by summation P1 Q0. Okay, so when you ma'am, instead of plus, if we get minus, we have to solve. Yes, you have to solve in the same method. See, suppose instead of plus here, you will not get minus. Okay, you will not get minus. For example, okay, as I want to clarify here, if you get minus value here, okay, so what you have to do? You have to minus it. 4380 minus 4500. You will get minus sign there that time. Okay, here also you should get same minus and minus. You cannot directly cancel. Okay, but don't get confused with all that. You will not get minus sign. Okay, it is full of additions where there is no minus sign. Do not get confused. Okay, suppose if you get, the method will be same. Method will go on same. There will be no changes with the method. Even the sign should be same. Okay, when you consider, for example, here it is, if it is minus 8880 divided by 7990 into 7990, here also it should be minus 8880. Okay, if it is plus, you cannot cancel because minus value is different, plus value is different. So if it is minus and minus, then only you can cancel. Okay, do not worry, you will not get with the minus signs. It is full of plus signs. Okay, do not get confused. Okay, here if you see here, you can put it in one square root itself. Okay, to make it very short. Okay, without wasting much time, you can put it in one square root itself. Summation P1 Q0, that is 4380 divided by 3930 into 4500 divided by 4060 into 4060 divided by 4500 into 3930 divided by 4380. Okay, so what you can do, you can directly cancel. Okay, you can directly cancel. See, always remember students, 1 by 5 is equal to how much? Okay, it is 1 by 2, it is 0.5. 1 by 2, it is 0.5. If you reverse that, that is 2 by 1 is how much? Is it 0.5? It is not 0.5, it is 2. The value will not be same. So same way here, what happens when you reverse it, the value changes. So don't think that always you will get the same value. Okay, do not think that you will get the same value. If you do further, okay, what you can do, you can directly cancel it. So 3930, 3930. 4380, 4380, 4060, 4060, 4500, 4500. So it is nothing but it is equal to 1. So FTRT satisfies Fisher index method. Okay, so try to work out under last place in this. We'll see what answer you get. Try to work out for Lasperi. What is the formula? It is summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into summation P0 Q1 divided by summation P1 Q1. What is the value? 4,380 divided by 3,930 into summation P0 Q1. 4,060 divided by 4,500. So if you see here, it is not equal at all. Okay, when you reverse the time, when you reverse the time, okay, that is the base into the current and the current into base here, it should be equal. Okay, so ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ values equal ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So ನಿಮಗೆ equal to 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ equal ಇಲ್ಲ. It is completely different. When you reverse the base and current here, you will get something different value. Okay, you will get something different value. So you cannot say it is equal to 1. Okay, you cannot say equal to 1. Yeah, you will get 0.999. Okay, that means it is, you say it is 1. But if you see here, if you see this, this and this should be equal. This and this should be equal. Okay, when you reverse, if you see the main formula, what to say, the definition of this. Time reversal test requires that the index numbers computed backward should be the reciprocal. This you keep in mind always. It should be the reciprocal of the index number computed forward. It should be the reciprocal. Then only you can say it is equal to 1. We write this not simply. There is a definition for that. When you reciprocate, it should be equal to 1. Except for the constant of proportionality. Okay, so that means it should be, when you reciprocate or reciprocal the backward formula, it should be equal. Okay, so here what happens? Okay, in this what happens when you reciprocate? Okay, when you reciprocate this formula, it gives you equal values. When you see here, it will give you the equal values. So we can say it is equal to 1. But here, when you reciprocate Lasperi's formula, it will not give you the reciprocal of this. Okay, ನೀವು reciprocal ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? When you do the reciprocal, you should get this summation P0 Q0 as here, but you do not have such value. P1 Q0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ P